Transfer videos from iPhone to Windows PC. Fix. Step 1. Connect your iPhone. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the Windows PC. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust this computer if asked. Step 2. Open Photos app on Windows. Click Start, open Photos. Click Import from a USB device. Step 3. Select Videos. Wait while Windows scans your iPhone. Once done, select only the videos you want to transfer. Step 4. Import videos. Choose where to save the files or use default folder. Click Import selected. Step 5. Check saved videos. Open Pictures, Imported, or your chosen folder. Your iPhone videos should now be on your PC. If the videos don't transfer, you may install or update iTunes on Windows, or try a different USB cable or port, or restart both devices and try again.